Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and removing external power. This prevents shorts and preserves firmware. Once done, ground yourself. Static kills radios, so use a strap or touch the metal frame. Remove the base screws in an organized pattern and use a spudger to lift clips gently. You want access without breaking tabs. Locate the wireless area. Many laptops use an M2 key eCard or onboard module under a shield. Make sure to note antenna cable routing. That matters when reassembling. Now focus on removal and replacement. First, detach the antenna leads by lifting straight up. Bending can break them, so use tweezers and work slowly. Unscrew the M2 retaining screw or release the clip and slide the old card out at an angle. Keep screws separated by length. Insert the new Bluetooth or combo wireless card in the same orientation, press it down and secure with the original screw. Reattach antenna connectors to their labeled pads, so transmit and receive paths remain correct. Finish by reassembling the chassis and tightening screws evenly to avoid panel gaps. Once reassembled, reconnect the battery and power, then boot into BIOS to verify the new device is listed. This isolates hardware from OS issues. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled in firmware menus. After boot, install the latest vendor driver so the stack works properly, and pair a headset or phone to confirm signal. If pairing fails, reseat antenna leads, reinstall driver, or test with a USB Bluetooth adapter as a troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.